In this video, we are going to delete our task. So I am in my task controller.js file and let's create a function delete task. So below our comment delete task, let's create a function and open it with an arrow function. Let's export our delete task and import in our route.js file. Also create a router dot and it will be a delete method slash API slash task slash ID and we pass our delete task function. So when we delete our ID, we need to pass also the placeholder in our URL to delete the specific task in our database. So go to our task controller and in our try catch block, first we need our ID. So const ID equals to require dot params. From that we are extracting the ID of that user. After that const task equals to our task model dot find by ID method and delete. So we are using find by ID and delete method and we pass that ID. So first we are getting our ID of the task from the URL path. After that in our task model we use find by ID and delete method and we pass the ID in that method and store in our const task and we print our response send.status will be 200 and in JSON we can send task is deleted message. Let's save the file and in our catch block we need to send our response dot status 400 and dot JSON we print our message. Error dot message. Let's save the file go to Postman, create another request and delete task. Select the delete method. Copy the URL path. Paste and in header accept the value in application JSON. And send the request. As you can see, we get our message that our task is deleted. Let's go to the single task and send the request. So it is not working. That is because we forgot to mention our await, because it is a synchronous function. Let's save the file. Now go to Postman. Never delete task, send the request, and we get our task is delete message. Now go to our single task and we now try to access our task of that ID. Send the request, and as you can see, we get our null value. That is because our task is successfully deleted and it is not getting any task related to this ID. We can also pass a validator. So if our task is not present in our database, then in our return, our response dot status of 404 not found, and in our JSON we are sending no task with that ID. So we are passing that validator. So if I go to Postman, save the file, go to Postman, and in our delete task, let's send the request, and you can see that we get a message that this task related to this ID is already deleted. So in this video we successfully delete our task. In the next video we are going to update our task. I will see you in the next video.